publishers, it says here that where does the content come from? This isn't syndicated from the content creators' websites, but I think the reality of this is that these publishers, they have been invited into the program, and I think they have an RSS feed with Amazon that they're just uploading the content already formatted for Amazon, and then Amazon just approves it. Sometimes you will find the exact same article on a publisher's website, though. It's pretty common. I mean, they already did the work. They might as well copy and paste it into the other system. So here's the editorial recommendations. They typically appear on higher volume search terms, more generic terms also. If you're looking for the best golden or the best gold coffee press, I don't think you would find one on that specific keyword, but they are based on SEO. So if you were looking for the best coffee press, you might find it there. And searching for the best gold coffee press, you may see an editorial for the best coffee press. Amazon attributes sales to these publishers based on 24-hour cookie and last click. So from our perspective, we see a lot of these sales not being attributed to the publisher. It's always less than 10% of the total, as far as we've seen. Amazon is deciding the attribution, so they get to decide if it's an advertising sale, they get to collect the revenue. If it is an organic sale, they don't have to pay anybody. And if it's an affiliate sale, they have to pay the affiliate. So I think Amazon is very good about making sure the money stays with Amazon. They're not going to pay anyone for a sale if they don't have to.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerUp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.